Handling your money effectively involves several key steps. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Allocate your money towards essentials like bills, groceries, and savings, while also allowing for discretionary spending. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. Set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. Consider saving for short-term goals, e.g. vacation, and long-term goals, e.g. retirement. Invest in diversified assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or retirement accounts to grow your wealth over time. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt such as credit card balances or personal loans. Develop a repayment plan and consider consolidating debts or negotiating with creditors to lower interest rates. Set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, outline specific objectives and track your progress regularly. Periodically review your financial situation and adjust your strategies as needed. Monitor your spending, investment performance, and progress towards goals to stay on track. Consider consulting with financial advisors or planners for personalized guidance on managing your money effectively and achieving your financial objectives.